What's up? I'm gonna jump right into this video. I got a lot of just going at it, just doing it energy right now, and that's perfect for what I want to talk about. I'm gonna jump right in it because I might not have as much time as I think I do, and that's the point of this video. You might not have as much time as you think you do. What did you do today for yourself? What did you do today that's productive? Did you learn something? Did you work on your dreams? Are you getting closer to your passion, to your life goals? What did you do today for yourself? I want to thank Clark. I don't want to mispronounce his name. It's like Kedley. Oh God, I gotta see how to pronounce his name. Think about another video. But for inspiring today's video, for inspiring me by this number. He gave me this number. He gave everyone, he gave the world this number. When I heard this number, I was like, damn, Clark. Wish I had known that number when I was a kid. 32,000. What does that number mean to you? 32,000. I mean, there is some exact number, but it's gonna vary. This number is gonna vary from person to person, so the details isn't what is important. What's important is 32,000. You know what that number means to you? How many days you have on this planet. You take the life expectancy of the average person, assuming you even live to that long, because you might not. You take the life expectancy of the average person, you know what? You times the amount of years, but you figure out the amount of years, how many days that gives you is only 32,000. Now all our days, it's just like he says, they feel, I'm gonna thank him in the comments so you guys can know who I'm talking about. I like to give credit where it's due, but all our days, they really, I see it so clearly after he said, they just seem so long. As I'm standing here, it feels like I have all the time in the world, but I don't. If I don't make this video for the rest of my life, that's one less video I made. For the rest of my life, for the rest of eternity, that's one less video out there to help somebody, to inspire somebody, to motivate somebody, to teach somebody something useful. I gotta come out here and I gotta do this because I don't have as many days as I thought I did. 32,000. Now I'm already 25 years old. I've already wasted 25 years of my life not working on any real passion or any real dream, not moving forward in my life, not doing anything with it. And it's like, I would love to leave a legacy of, like, it sounds unrealistic, but I would love to leave a legacy of, I've left like 100,000 videos out there just for, like, after I die, not even for money, but just so that people can always learn from them for the rest of time. Like how people write books, I want to leave these free videos out there for just everyone to learn from. So there's so much infinite knowledge, but it's like my number, 100,000. That sounds like a number I want to shoot for, to strive for. How many days do I have? I don't have 100,000 days. I've already lost 25 years, so my time is running out. My time is getting wasted. If I want to put out that many videos, I should probably be making like 4 or 5 videos per day. What does that also mean? It means I need to read more books for sure. I need to study more. I need to watch more. What does that even relate to you? No matter what you want to do, you should be learning about it. If you can't be actively working on it, whatever it is you want to do, like I use, like, you want to be an artist, you want to be a painter, and maybe you can't literally paint every day, but still work on it. Practice your techniques. And when you can't practice your techniques, learn new techniques, learn more of the outer skills, learn more things, learn from other people, learn from other artists, learn business, learn sales, learn marketing, learn how you're gonna sell your paintings, learn how you're gonna sell yourself, learn how you're gonna get people interested in you, learn how you're gonna get your name and build your brand on anything you wanna do. You can apply that to anything. You want a successful career? I mean, when you have a job where everything's just handed to you, that's one thing, but who really just wants a job anymore these days? You want to work for yourselves, I hope. Or you know what, maybe you want to get a good job, but honestly, if you just want to get a good job, I don't even know if I have much advice for you, because I really want to inspire people to work for themselves. I believe the day and age of working jobs is over. As I'm just saying it again, I think the day and age of working jobs is over. It's time for the rise of the middle class. It's time for the rise of entrepreneurs in every way, shape, or form. It doesn't mean you have to own a business. Now, if you can run a business, you can start a business, by all means, you should go do it. But just to generalize it, it doesn't mean you have to own a business. But what are you doing for yourself? What did you do today? Did you do anything to forge yourself in your career? If you check out my last video, I really have a lot of good information about why you need to always be doing something every day. Because if you lose that momentum, I talked about this in my last video, so I'm not going into it too much. But if you lose your momentum, it's really hard to get it back. And it's also possible you may never get it back. And maybe you haven't found your momentum yet. Maybe that's why you're here. Yeah, that actually makes a lot of sense. That a lot of you guys who actually would have clicked on this video, you haven't even found your momentum. You haven't even found that thing you want to do. Maybe you don't even know your passion. You don't even know your life's work. You don't know anything. But there's a great saying that goes, do something, even if it's the wrong thing. Even if it's the wrong thing, do something. Let the universe, let God, let whatever you want to believe in, let your atheism find out the path for you through it. Just learn the lessons that it's supposed to teach you there. Take all the value and all the information, all the knowledge. Don't be afraid to cheat at life. If you're not cheating at life, the only person you're cheating is yourself. You're cheating your God, you're cheating the universe, because you're not doing all that you came here to do. That's what I want to inspire onto you. Remember that number, 32,000. That's all the days you have, and you know what? You might not even have that. Plenty of people die in their 20s, in their 30s, in their 40s, in their 50s. So you might have to take that number, you might even have to cut it into 4. You might die tomorrow. Yeah, I guess if you die tomorrow, all you want to do is go on vacation, sit on a beach. But think about after you're dead. What's gonna mean more to you after you're dead? The fact that you took some vacation, that you played some Xbox, you ate some pizza, or that you left a lasting impact on mankind, that you left something for the world, whatever kind of form of artwork, of creation that you want to give back, that's your real gift to the world. And at the end of your life, that's gonna mean more than anything else. And you know what? You don't want to take my word for it. Wait till the end of your life comes and see if you find me to be wrong. Have a lovely life.